Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The third officer, or third mate, is the entry point into the world of ship management and serves as the ship's dedicated safety officer. This role is a vital pillar of maritime security because the third officer is the person who ensures that every piece of life-saving and firefighting equipment is ready for an emergency at a moment's notice. While they are the most junior officer on the bridge, their responsibilities are foundational to the survival of the crew. The core of their work involves the meticulous inspection and maintenance of lifeboats, life rafts, and life buoys. They must ensure that every lifeboat engine starts instantly, that the fuel is clean, and that the emergency rations and water inside are within their expiration dates. They also manage hundreds of fire extinguishers, fire hoses, and fire hydrants scattered throughout the vessel, from the depths of the engine room to the highest deck of the bridge. Every month, the third officer must walk the entire ship to verify that every smoke detector is functioning and that every fire suit and breathing apparatus is airtight and ready for use. In the event of a real emergency, the third officer often has a critical role in the muster station, helping the crew and passengers don their life jackets and overseeing the safe lowering of survival craft. On the bridge, the third officer typically keeps the 8 to 12 watch, which means they are on duty from 8 in the morning until noon, and again from 8 at night until midnight. During these hours, they are responsible for the safe navigation of the vessel, following the orders left by the captain and the passage plan created by the second officer. This watch is an excellent training ground where they hone their skills in collision avoidance using radar and visual observations while communicating with other ships over the radio. In port, the third officer assists with cargo operations and stays on the deck to supervise the safe loading or unloading of goods while keeping a close eye on the ship's gangway for security and visitor control. They are also responsible for the maintenance of the flags and the signaling equipment, ensuring the ship can communicate visually with other vessels or shore authorities. Documentation is a huge part of the job, as they must keep the safety manuals updated and log every inspection to satisfy the strict requirements of international maritime authorities. The third officer is often the youngest officer on board, and their journey is one of rapid learning and high accountability. They must be detail-oriented because a single overlooked fire extinguisher or a faulty lifeboat winch could have catastrophic consequences in a crisis. By mastering the safety systems and navigation basics, the third officer builds the character and technical skill set required to rise through the ranks to eventually become a second officer. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.